Good morning, Foray. Today is Tuesday, the 9th of June, and today is yet another day of learning. And today, hopefully, it will be a little easy on us. All right, your first lesson, you'll have to follow your own timetables. You'll have to follow um, your own timetable, depending on what you have. The second period will be an English grammar period where you're going to be looking at the gender nouns and diminutives. You should be pretty much familiar with both. Um, yeah, we had diminutives as a workbook practice last week, so you should be familiar with it. And there's an activity in the workbook to do, in the pupil book actually. So in the pupil book, you'll have to complete a grammar activity. If I do have an impression that we've done this page already. So if that's the case, then just do the second page. If not, make sure both pages are done. No need to submit anything on ClassDojo. You have the answer key. You will have to check your answers. All right, the third lesson will be maths. In maths, yesterday we were talking about adding adding fractions, and this time we will be subtracting fractions. So we'll be doing the opposite of what we were doing yesterday. Don't forget to submit your work on ClassDojo. And then we have ICT. In ICT, you will have to complete the activities on Education City. As I told you many times before, I do check who's completed, who started, and who generally access the material. So please make sure you do, and make sure you do your best. Right. Your fifth lesson will be the UAE Social Studies B, for those who have it with me. The topic is goods and services and needs and wants, just generally talking about goods and services. Those who had it Sunday, Monday, you should probably be done with social studies. Those who have it with me today, make sure you complete the work today. It's a really nice lesson. And your last lesson will be music with Miss Katerina, I think. All right, guys, don't forget when we're self-checking, when we have an answer key, do make sure that you first do it yourself and then check the answer key, because I will be checking later on how well you know the topic. And if you only copy the answer keys, then obviously you're not going to really remember the information. Anyway, thank you so much for replying to my video. So the riddle was, why is it that a ghost cannot lie? The answer I was looking for was because we can see right through them. And this is actually a phrase. So basically, when I tell a person, for example, someone's lying, and I have a suspicion that they are lying, but they are saying that they are not lying, I will tell them, I can see right through you. That means I can tell that they are lying. So with the ghost, you can literally see through a ghost, and you can see right through them, so they cannot lie. You will discover they lie. Anyway, the things you said, you can see right through it. Yes, you can see right through them because we can't hear them, Ira. Okay, that's a good answer. Ira really thought about it. Ghosts can't speak, Anahita. Whether ghosts can speak or not, we don't know. I've never met one. But thank you so much for thinking about it and considering it. Ryan, because they are not human beings. Okay. Because we can't hear them, Yaumas. Normally ghosts don't talk, so how can they lie? Mohammed. Good one. Then Mariam said there are no ghosts, so they can't speak or lie. That's a good thought as well. Ghosts are invisible, Patrick. Simra, ghosts cannot be seen. All right. Arush, ghosts cannot speak. Ahaya, ghosts can't ever be seen. Okay, good guys. All the different answers from the actual real answer, which was we can see right through them. Um, I can tell that you really thought about it, and as I told you before, that's what I really appreciate about riddles. So please do make sure you think about the riddle, and because guys, I can tell when you've Googled it because some riddles, even if I didn't see the answer, I wouldn't be able to really answer it correctly. So please do make sure that you just answer from your head. That's all. First thing that comes to your head. Anyway, your riddle for today is what are the two things you cannot have for breakfast? One more time. What are the two things you cannot have for breakfast? And as usual, we have the inspirational quote for today that I'd like to mention. All right, and it's this one. A positive attitude can really make dreams come true. It did for me, from David Bailey. Okay, so positivity is not instantaneous magic. Being optimistic and positive is a way of life. This practice brings positive experience in your life, makes you someone that people want to be around, and can create awesome opportunities that are dream come true worthy. So guys, always be positive. If you are positive and in a good mood, you will make a lot of friends this way. And of course, if you are negative and you easily give up, you will never get anywhere. However, if you're positive and keep trying in life, that will definitely get you somewhere in life. You will be very successful. All right, that's it from me. Let me just tell you what time we're having our Teams meeting. Um, so basically, our last lesson together would be the ICT, the iPad lesson. Which is 11:30. So guys, today's meeting will be 11:30, quite early, okay? Please guys, don't ask on Teams what time is the meeting or write some fake times. It's 11:30, so please make sure that you're ready for that time. And today's code is I'm wearing like a brown, kind of brownish top, so don't forget to wear brown color if you can. All right, see you later on Teams. Bye bye.